How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can create unique surfaces patterns in Bambu Studio. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply create your own unique pattern, or in my case, to make things easier, I'm just going to grab one from Google itself. And then you can search for the JPJ to SVG. Head over to any one of these websites. Go ahead and upload your image, and then you want to upload it into an SVG file. From there, after downloading your SVG pattern file, head over to the objects that you want to create or use the unique surfaces patterns to. In my case, I'm going to be using this one. Right click on it, click on add part, and then select SVG. You then want to locate your SVG file. So in my case, it's going to be this pattern.svg. Click on open, and then you could use something like the use surface option. Now you also want to make sure that your file is on the transparent side. So for this one, I've made sure that for this specific pattern, its background is transparent. Now you can categorize Google by heading over to tools, click type, or click something like transparent, and then you want to choose transparent option right here. Now let's click on the used surface. Of course, you can edit this out the way you want to by clicking on scale, and then we can increase the scale of our object. And then let's edit it once again by heading over to the settings of our SVG file. And of course, I'm going to reduce the depth of the item right here. And so from there, you have made yourself a unique surface for your object. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.